auto delivery.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so we're going to talk to you about this really quickly. This is a set of 3. You're starting with the pumpkin patch Squoval tray.
10-inch.
Yep.
12-inch. 16-inch.
And you're going to get them home today for 6 payments of $5.64. Now, you're going to order this right now. Lock this in on auto delivery. And then we will send you every season, you will get the appropriate holiday seasonal decor to come along with it. So this is going to come to you in October, but it's our holiday.
Yes. So similar to what you've been looking at with the Today's Special Value, the tree detail with the mailbox, with, of course, the cardinal, all of your ornaments, the beautiful snow on the bow. Then your middle tray, that 12-inch tray, is going to be Santa. He's got his cookie. He's sitting by the fireplace. And then your smallest tray, that 10-inch, is going to be the scene of Santa cooking at the stove.
Okay, 49331. Everybody is picking this up and locking it in on auto delivery. So I want you to show everyone, again, every season. So
pumpkin patch.
You're going to get right away.
Right away. And look, we know you love your pumpkin. You have that braided detail that runs around the edges. This is the smallest one. Look at the largest one. And they're different from the ones that are in the Today's Special Value.
Cloves?
Yeah, they're little cloves.
I love that you put cloves there.
But this is not a deep dish. So this becomes that Squoval traditional platter that I know you don't have because we've never done them like this. So I love that, again, you're getting the 16-inch, the 12-inch, and the 10-inch pumpkin patch.
There's your
holiday. Look at the egg hunt.
Egg hunt is beautiful.
Love this. Think about layering flameless candles in here. Think about putting some of your peeps in here, some of those eggs and your candy. You could literally create little themes all around the house just by incorporating the set of 3 serving trays.
And then, of course, we have, for the American holidays, this is going to come to you in May of next year.
Right. And this is our firework, what we call our firework. So you have the blue beading that runs around the edge with the red color saturation and all of that firework detail. On the middle tray, the 12-inch, we actually reverse that. Red piping on the frame, blue in the inside, and then your fireworks. And then your little guy, your not so little, your 10-inch, you have the reverse, the same as the first one.
Can I just show, look at how pretty this would look when you're stacking this?
Absolutely.
Like, so say you're
all
placing this in your, hutch, your sideboard, something like that. Look at how pretty that looks, right? Like, everything about this collection is beautiful. If you're thinking about gifts, again, I love the idea of now you have 3 different vessels to be able to place your baked goods, something that you've made to someone's house.
Yes.
You bring it to their home, they love it, they keep it year after year, they bring it out during the holidays. It's really, really pretty.
I have to say, I love even the unique shape of these. First of all, the Squoval, but by design, you have a lip that creates itself. So you never have to worry about sauces or gravies or things that you're going to want to put on here, having it run over the sides.
Can you imagine?
Tell me.
Your ribs, your Corky's ribs on this plate?
I just saw Jimmy Stovall.
Yes.
I bet you he could help us out.
Your ribs, and then maybe your corn.
I love
on
that.
Here, and then right over here, something else.
Some of your
maybe
rolls.
Something healthy.
What?
Like I don't know. I was thinking like maybe a celery.
I can't hear.
All right, so this is
one piece of celery.
Here's what's going on. Everybody's getting this on auto delivery.
Oh, good. You're going to love it.
You're going to pick it up in the pumpkin patch, and then when you lock this in on auto delivery, you'll get holiday in October, you'll get egg hunt coming to you next year in March, and then right over here you'll get, or is it in March or April? Let's see. In March, and then you'll get the fireworks coming to you in May.
May, I love that.
K49331
glad you're loving it.
is your item number. It is beautiful. Today, 6 payments of $5.64. By the way, you will also lock in the Easy Pay.
Oh,
if
great.
you lock in the auto delivery.
Really?
Yes, because you're like never on auto delivery.
I never get auto delivery. That's why you're looking at me like I'm crazy.
Yeah, so this, you get to lock in the price, you lock in the Easy Pay, and you lock in the fact that you'll be able to get your patterns home in those times frames. Now, also available in our show are the set of 4 step